Hello, this is the second intro video for Grapevine Computer Access. This time I'll be focusing on scanning as the input method. I should mention that all features of Grapevine are available whether you're using a mouse or pointing device, or scanning using just a single button. Okay, firstly, what is scanning? It's a method of accessing a computer using one or more buttons or switches. There are two types of scanning, automatic and manual. To demonstrate, I'm going to type the word hi using this grid of letters. Automatic scanning requires only a single switch. It involves using a highlighter which moves automatically from one option to the next, and a select button which you press when the highlighter gets to the option you want. The only difference with manual scanning is that you have an additional button called Move, which you can use to move the highlighter from one item to the next. An optional button that can be used in both types of scanning is Back. This button can save time by allowing you to go back if you select something by mistake. Okay, let's have a look at scanning using Grapevine. The first thing you may notice is that the keyboard layout has changed. That's because we're now using scanning and the keys are arranged so that the most frequently used are at the top and to the left. These keys are the easiest and quickest to get to when scanning. The first key on the top row is space. The letters are also arranged so that the most frequently used can be accessed quickly, although you can choose a standard keyboard layout known as QWERTY or an alphabetical layout. Let's start scanning. I'm currently using manual scanning, so I'm pressing a Move button to move from one item to the next, and a Select button to select items. I've added an extra window here which will show you what buttons I'm pressing during the demo. Let's see how easy it is to browse the internet using Grapevine scanning. First, I'll select the Shortcuts button here, then the Google Chrome Shortcuts page, and now the first option is to start Chrome. Now I want to return to the keyboard to type a search, so I'll select the keyboard button here on the right. Now, let's say I want to type classic cars. I've already covered typing using a mouse in the first demo video. All of these features are also available in scanning mode. For example, by pressing this button, then selecting class, I can find words that start with class. Google is already suggesting classic cars as a search, so I can select that by pressing the down arrow as with the standard keyboard. Now I can complete the search by pressing Enter. Okay, so now I want to scroll down the page of results. There are several ways to do that, but since we're using Chrome, let's go back to the Chrome page using this orange back arrow. Then I'll select this down arrow. This is a good opportunity to demonstrate Grapevine's mouse control feature, which I'm going to use to click on this link. I'll start by selecting the mouse button, which is available here on the right on all shortcut pages. Now you can see that the screen is divided into a grid, and the link I want to click is in cell number 4. When I select number 4, its cell is again divided into a grid of 9, and now the link is in cell 5. I could drill down further into smaller cells, but I can see that the link I want to click is in the center of the current cell, so I can simply click Go. A red target now indicates where the click will occur, and there are a range of different mouse clicks I can perform at that target point. I'm going to choose the first option, which simply performs a single click. I'm going to follow the same procedure now to click on this link, Classic Cars for Sale. This grid feature is just one of 3 methods of moving the mouse pointer by scanning. You can learn more about this in my video called Mouse Control. Don't forget, everything I'm doing here can be done with just a single button in automatic scanning mode. Next, I'm going to show you an even easier way to navigate web pages using a feature called Link Tags. If I select this button, it adds yellow numbered tags to all links on the current web page. If I want to select this link, I can do so by entering the number 60 here. Once I've entered it, it will automatically go to that page. I'll demonstrate that again by clicking the Contact Us link at the top of the page. Link Tags is a feature unique to Grapevine, and it uses a free add-on for Chrome called Vimium, which is easy to install. You can see how quickly and easily you can browse the web with Grapevine on-screen keyboard, potentially using just a single switch. Finally, I want to show you how easily you can switch between applications using Grapevine, using this Application Switcher button. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.